So we're getting ready to get fall going and underway, and we're starting to get our curriculum as well as learning manipulatives in. So this is something we got today. And by the way, my name is Crystal. I'm Mama, and this is
Cash.
Cash. Do me a favor, Cash. Open that box for me. Tell me what it is and open it up. We've got something. Wait. Before we get to the box part, let's see what the name of it is. Let's get all the plastic off. So our new learning manipulative is called Let's flip it over so we can see it. This is Plugo, and these are Plugo letters. This is an AR-powered wordplay kit. So it's by a newer company, Shifu, and we're going to take a look and see if we like it. So inside this box, it should contain 48 letter tiles, letters trunk, a guide, and a gamepad. And just so you know, we're going to be using this with our iPad. Let's open it up. Here, Cash. Get into it. There's the letters. Here's the gamepad. Oh, everything came in that one little compact little box. I like it. And we're going to open it up and see what's inside of each box. Are you going to open up the letters box? Get that one open, and I'll open the gamepad. Oh, a heart. It's got like a little magnetic opening. You got it? Here. Lay it on the side.
Little magnetic what?
Opening. Just open it like this. From the front.
I would do it.
Okay.
This is
Ah.
up.
So I'm assuming that's the letter trunk. And we got a little booklet.
Yes. Well,
What's inside? You taking this out? I hear something. I think there's letters in here, Cash. Oh, you're reading. Mm-hmm. Open up the letter trunk. Let's see what's inside. You got it? If you need any help, let me know.
this is the drawers.
It's a little drawer.
Huh.
It says, Mommy, ayúdame. Ayúdame. Oh, you didn't need my help. You got it. There we go. And so what's inside?
Letters.
You found letters. Very cool.
Cool.
Mm-hmm. So you got the letters, and then I'm pretty sure this is where we stick the iPad.
Well,
Ta-da!
yes.
Take the bottom off for me. Cool. Aha. So it says, we play here, and this is the letter trunk that it came in. It says a big play pad. The gamepad is very large, which I like. That is cool. Okay, I think we're about ready to set it up and take a look and see what she does. So we've got a game, which I like. This is simple. We're out of the box, ready to go. Gamepad. It says play here. We've got letters and a letter trunk. All right, Cash, let's play. So I already know I'm calling this Plugo. It's actually Plugo. The reason I know is because when I turned on the app, it told me its name. Sorry about that. Let's see, select all even numbers and show me the way out. 6, 4, 22. Okay, so we gotta sign up. I'm gonna put this down and go ahead and sign up. Just so you know, sign up's pretty easy. And once you get in here, it asks you to sync your kits. So I'm gonna put sync kits, select my game, sync kits, setting up your game, syncing Tiny Tails. Loading, loading. Syncing Mumble Jumble. I wonder what that game's about. So far, just so you know, everything looks good. Cash will be going into kinder this year. So I'm hoping he's a little bit ahead than your average kindergartner. So I'm hoping that this is a good spelling game, because one thing I've figured out that he doesn't care for is a lot of paper memorization spelling. Loves to memorize stuff, but not necessarily spelling words. Syncing Where's My Roar? Cool. These are nice quality letter tiles. They're plastic. Same letter on front and back. Very hard, very thick. Nothing's flimsy about the tray. You're supposed to flip it down to clear a word. And everything is stored in this one little drawer. So far so good. The quality of this looks good. The magnet is cool that it sticks down to the gameplay surface. I'm really hoping the gameplay matches the quality of the actual product itself. So far so good. Cash can't wait. This is a true straight out of the box opinion of this game. And I say that because I'm really trying to find something that'll be really plug and play, excellent for Cash to play on his own. So go ahead and hit letters.
Jungles of Oko. In the wild jungles of Oko, the fierce and brave animals are hiding from the monster of the banyan tree. Spell the names of the animals to find out more
Clear the
about
window.
the monster.
Clear the window. Spell the name of the animal. Oh, they're giving the first one. What's the first letter? What's the first letter they're giving you? Whoops. What's the first letter? Is that the letter?
E. Place the letter tile B, where start from the left of the window. B.
Finish spelling it. What's the next letter?
E.
You pop that.
Go for it. What's the next letter?
A.
R. Can you find it? Look in the drawer. Look around.
Loves. But I'm open. I found something.
Did you?
Let's close the
R. Fantastic. The bear says the monster is huge.
Clear the window.
Yikes.
spell the rest. Go ahead and put the word in. S, what's the next letter? What's the next letter in
I
snake?
forgot.
There it is. Put it up.
I will put in, then it tells me that I'm wrong.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What's the next letter? You're gonna have a picture of a snake when they're done. Do you think it'll come back out of the screen and bite you? Make sure you spell it in order. That's good spelling technique to spell it in order. Spell it in order. What's next? That's next.
A.
Uh-huh. What's the next letter? Don't skip letters.
There's
One
two
more.
more then.
One more letter and then it's coming to get you. It's coming to get you. What's the last letter? Na, 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 na,
That
na,
one?
na, na.
That one?
Let's see it.
Awesome! I'm a snake.
Cool.
L.
L.
What's the next letter?
I'm sure that I is not tough.
I.
Next letter? He's coming out. I think he'll come all the way out once you spell his name.
I don't bet I've had that. Time. I'm mindful about mine.
All right. You got the next letter?
I don't see it.
I see it.
How about the last letter?
Well, go ahead and put the O up there. And I think I see an N too. Oh, you just want to do them at the same time?
Needle.
N.
Go ahead and put the O up.
O. N. Fantastic. The lion says the monster roars.
So I'm pleased. This is money well spent. And I'll tell you exactly why. I really wanted Cash to start spelling independently. And I think this is going to do the trick. It's a fun game. Plugo, you did a wonderful job with this. It's a great value for the money. And more than everything else, I mean, anything my son enjoys learning with, I enjoy. Thanks so much. I like it.